Howdy there. I just figured let's go ahead and run through the problem. Now I don't even remember which one it was. Let me see. In investigation 3A, one of the problems that had you do the whole thing with the circumference. So in in applying your knowledge, it would be, nope, sorry, part 2, question F. Part 2, question F. And so here's how I solved it. Because it didn't say like where you needed to start. It just said create a series of 8 successive displacements that would program a robot to move in an octagon path. Octagonal is a word. That is as close as you can get to approximating a circle. So that's what we're hoping. Let's go ahead and start at 5, 5. Well, there we go. So 5. I just started at 5, 5 because that was like, in the problem before it was already set up. And then I moved by 3s. So I moved 3 and 0. So across for the octagon. And then I moved 0. No, then I moved 3. And -3. Okay. And then I moved let's see, then I moved 0 and -3 again. Okay. And then I moved 3, no, -3 and -3. And then I moved -3, 0, I believe. And then I needed to move -3 and +3. Okay. And I'm going to not move my x, but I'm going to move my y, +3. And that should get me all the way back to my start. Let's go continue all the way to close the circle. So I'm going to move 3 and 3 should be. Great. Yeah, that'll close it off. So let's go ahead and hit run and see if it makes an octagon. Looks like it's working. Okay, so that right there gave me a distance of 28.97 meters. So that is going to play like my diameter, if you will. If I made it through, if I could put an arc through all of those points, roughly be around a circle. And so if I had a circle that was inside this this octagonal shape, then I would have a circumference 28.97. So that was the kind of the start of that for me. And so then I took, you can see, let me actually go to, let's see, webcam. Let me see if I can pick. Okay, I can pick a different camera. So you can see here's my work on this one. And let me see if I can make that bigger. Aha, I can. It's a little grainy. But you can see that the distance was 28.97 meters. So I'm going to call that my circumference. And the circumference of a circle is found by multiplying pi by the diameter, or 2 pi r, which pi is the constant, and r would be 2r is the same as diameter because radius is half of the diameter. And so if I set this up, plug in my value to c, and then divide both sides by 2 pi, that cancels out, right? Here, just to do simplification using my calculator, and r should equal 4.61 meters. Now, This is based on my origin being 5'5", and then me using those particular displacements, but you could do all of your own and maybe even get it closer to a circle. So that is up to you.